Hi, my name is Catherine Went with Syscon, and thanks for taking a moment of your time. Today I wanted to talk to you about a data breach that we came across. Imagine you're a payroll association and you have to tell your members that your data was breached. Well, that's what happened to the American Payroll Association, and here's what happened. The hackers, the people who were getting after their data, installed skimming software in two locations on their website, at the login page and at the checkout page. How did they do this? Well, the bad guys exploited a vulnerability in their CRM software. That's how they got in. So what did they find? What did they get? What did they steal? They got information for the memberships, first and last name, email addresses, physical mailing addresses, business and personal. What kind of software and how many people were on their payrolls. So quite a bit of stuff. If you want to read more about that, it is on our website, and I referenced the article. So this is nuts, right? I mean, crazy, but this is exactly what's happening. So a couple of words for you. What does it mean for your business? Keep your software up to date. Make sure you're installing the latest versions, patches. Make sure your computers are up to date with Microsoft security patches and antivirus software. All of those things are important. Make sure you're being vigilant with your data and your software. Another thing you can do is you can actually sign up for a service similar to or for our dark web monitoring service, where this monitoring service goes out to the dark web and looks for data that is for sale based on your domain address. It might be passwords, it might be a breach that your login experienced, it could be a father's middle name, all those security questions you have to answer. And you can sign up for that service, you get a regular report, and you get warnings. So that would be another thing you could do. So be careful, stay on top of your game here. If you want to read more, check out our newsletter. Thanks for your time, and I hope you have a great rest of your week.